Welcome you to our English lesson 20. Today our learning intention is understand and practice how to edit my work. And the success criteria is I can write a draft, I can reread a draft, and I can check for proper punctuation, spelling, and grammar. What you will need today is a pencil, maybe a rubber, and some handwriting paper, and also your editing checklist. Once you are prepared, you will be moving on and looking at the 4 editing cards provided in the lesson plan. So you have a little hint at the bottom of each card letting you know what kind of mistakes you need to fix. So there are 2 spelling mistakes, 2 capital letters, and 1 full stop, you can see, for card number 1 down the bottom there. So you can go ahead and complete those 4, and then we'll be moving on to the next activity. Okay, well done. Next up, you will be writing your own paragraph about which character from Cinders, the Rockstar Gang, or Cinderella, the fairy tale that you prefer and why. So I've gone ahead and I have put up my draft on the board here for you to look at, and I'll read it out to you, and we're going to work through my example together and correct that using our checklist so you know how to do your own. Okay, so mine says, my favourite story is Cinders Rocks, the Rockstar Gang. I love Cinders. She is a rock star. So I'm going to go ahead and stand up and look at my editing checklist. So first on the list is I wrote using my best handwriting and used spaces. So I gave that one a tick already because I have a finger space between each one. And I tried my hardest with my handwriting. Next one is I use capital letters. So I can see straight away here I began my sentence with a little letter. So I'm going to rub that out and go ahead and put in a capital letter there. My favourite, now that looks a bit funny, that word, so I'm going to circle it because I'm quite unsure if that's how you spell it. My favourite story is Cinders Rocks, the Rockstar Gang. Now I have a full stop there as well. So I'll tick, I wrote a complete sentence, I used punctuation, which is my full stop, and I used capital letters. So what you would do there is you'd work the whole way through your sentence, editing for any things like capital letters, checking your spelling by circling it, sounding it out and ticking each letter that sounds correct, maybe asking a learning buddy if you've spelt it correct or if they know how to spell it, and any full stops, exclamation marks. I could probably put an exclamation mark at the end of mine. And then you are complete. So I will see you all next lesson. Thank you.